Okay, so I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. Alright, so these are my clear nails. I already went ahead and I arranged them to fit my nails. I'm going in with the orange wood stick and I'm just pushing back my cuticles. This is going to make sure that you have some clean looking nails. Then I'm going in with some nail glue and I'm going to take my clear nail and I'm just going to position it onto my nail. Just gonna press it down for maybe about 10 seconds to make sure that it sticks on properly. Alright, so once all the nails are on, I'm then gonna go in with, I'm using the scissors here, and that's probably because I could not find my nail clip. But use a nail clip, use the scissors, whatever suits you, whatever floats your boat. I'm going in with the scissors and I'm just going to cut the ends off. I wanted a coffin shape, but I'm just cutting my nails so that I have less filing to do. Speaking of filing, then I'm gonna go in with my nail file and I am just gonna file to make sure that the edges are smooth and that the shape, I have the desired shape. And this is what it is looking like right now. I'm going in with do I call it buffer? Yeah, I have it like a brain fart moment right now, but I'm going in with my I think it's called a buffer. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I'm going in, I'm going to make sure that my nails are buff, and I'm doing this just to create a little grit on my nails so that the polishes and everything adhere. I'm going in with some rubbing alcohol just to remove the dust and everything from the surface of my nails. So this is actually a bonder, which is good for gels, and it's going to help everything adhere onto the nails properly. So now I'm going in with a primer, then I'm going in with my clear gel and I'm just going to apply a thin layer over the top of each nail. And the good thing with gel, I should also add, is that it self-levels. So unlike acrylic, you don't have to make sure that it's nice and level and everything, that it doesn't dry. It cures under the lamp. So that's why I really like working with gels. It's, to me, easier than working with acrylic. Alright, so once all the nails are done, I'm going to go in with my UV lamp for about a minute to make sure that this layer is cured. And then I'm going to go in with a second layer and just apply that. I'm just speeding it up. Why can't I speak? Speeding it up because it's basically the same thing I did before. Apply the gel, the clear gel, the builder gel over my nail and go under the lamp again for another minute. Once this is done, I'm going to go in again with my paper towel and my rubbing alcohol just to remove any excess from the top of the gel. I'm going to go in with my nail file and just make sure that the edges are smooth and they're shaped again how I want. Again with the buffer to make sure that the surface is smooth and that I have the shape that I want for my nails. Again, removing any excess dust or dirt from my nails before I then go ahead to apply the polish. So this right here is my base coat, my gel base coat. I'm just going to apply them to each of my nails and then the standard, put them under the UV lamp for a minute. Once that's done, I'm going to go in with my color, and I applied 2 coats of this because the color is very light and I wanted it to look a little more opaque. So I'm going to go in with my color and apply that. So this here is actually an eyeliner brush that I cleaned off, and I wanted border nails, so I'm going to go in with some pastel colors, and for each of the nails I'm going to apply a different color to the border of the nails. Of course, you can feel free to do whatever design you want to do. This is just what I wanted to do. I also didn't add it on camera, but I also applied some crystals and a gel clear top coat, and I put it under the UV lamp, and this is the end result. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have and you found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. And if you have not already, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.